Hello, welcome once again to Enuani Cultural Forum. Today we are going to be looking at a very interesting culture in Igbo land, especially this period that is a festive season where people are involved in the sharing of meat and food items. We are going to be looking at 12 or more things that can never happen during the sharing of meat, Umunna meat, as it is called in most parts of Igbo land. Let's look at one. Here are 12 things that cannot happen in the sharing of Ụmụnna meat. The first one is, no matter how small this meat is, it will get to everyone. Second one, no matter your academic qualification, financial status or marital status, etc., gerontocracy, that is isiokpukpu, is what counts. Without any register, the age and position of everyone is known, no matter the number of people present. 4. There is nothing like age falsification in this meeting because everyone knows each other's age. 5. If the meat is cooked, those sharing it, that is ndị ogozi, are forbidden from putting their hands in their mouth. 6. The first 4 oldest men get the largest share of the meat. Interesting, right? There are 4 oldest men that are usually considered first. Before others are considered. 7. If the meat gets home cooked, the man must bring out his onyabe, a flat wooden bowl used for sharing of meat, and share the small meat too to every member of his household as it was done in the lineage meeting. Interesting, right? 8. One must indicate that it is his turn, and when absent, the share is kept. Otherwise, his juniors may refuse to take their own. Now, this is for meetings that are strictly designed for the sharing of meat for non-attendees. But the ones that are strictly for attendees, it will be said that oye jizu erizu. So the person may be counted out. Now, 9. If this meat is that of a chicken, after cooking, all the contents of its abdomen, including the intestines, gizzard, liver, lungs, heart, kidneys, etc., must be complete. Otherwise, those who prepared it will have to pay for it. Very interesting one. 10. The aim of presenting the meat must be defined before it is assessed and accepted. And this is usually the first one. And then 11. After slaughtering the meat, ndị ogozi must present it to the elders by naming the parts present. This is usually for a big animal. 12. Ndị oga can only start sharing if the elders okay it. Now let me read some of the beautiful comments under the post. Somebody is pointing out number 8. He said, I remember when Ụmụnna was sharing their meat. My mother wasn't present. So while everyone is speaking according to age, they forgot my mother. When it gets to her age, and when they are almost done, they remembered my mother. And they all have to drop their meat, starting from where her age mates begin. Even some that already left home, or even came back to drop their own. This is how beautiful Igbo culture is. Someone also commented, apart from the funny part of sharing, one thing about this is that immediately you touch any portion, either by mistake or otherwise, that one you will take. You dare not touch one and pick another. Interesting. This is also very true. And then one other comment says, assuming you don't know your age, this is where you will know your age if you mistakenly carry a portion before your elder. That is also very, very correct. And then someone also commented, our brother Ubeje Moses says, if you are not Diala, that is if you are not a true born, don't come close to gerontocracy. Gerontocracy defined is shared, how it is shared. No matter how small it is a prized item, Igbo amaka. Truly, Igbo amaka. Now these are some of the beautiful comments on our post. As somebody says here, you forgot to add that if you want to know your real father, just put your hand to collect your share when it is not your turn. And then somebody said, if animal is killed and there are parts that are separated from cooking. Others are also shared in raw parts. Most times they usually get yam to cook it. Dem no dey decorate am o, dey cook it anyhow. Interfarm collect ochua anyanwu nchanwu. Okay, so this is so beautiful, and these are some of the beautiful. Number 5 got me cracked up. Ndị oga don't want to take chances with oga. That's true. And then number 5 should be written in full to avoid misrepresentation as ndị ogozi. Thank you so much, my brother. Your name is Chigozie Onyinye Chigozie. This is from our Facebook page. And then the most prominent comment here says, if you like, make them born you for Gabon. Dem know your age. You go here, media, you know. This is from our brother called Chidebere Udechukwu. They even know the hour, day, date, month, and year. Maybe by coincidence, you and another person were born the same day. This is so interesting. Igbo Amaka truly. And this is one of the most beautiful cultures in Igbo land. The sharing of anu, the sharing of anu ebo, the sharing of Ụmụnna meat. It is practiced all over Igbo land. Here in our part of Igbo land, Igbos of Delta states, we are from Enuani. It is very well practiced. And it is by gerontocracy, that is seniority. It's your obo. Thank you so much. In case you enjoyed today's video, kindly give us a thumbs up, share our video, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and do have a very pleasant day.